Well, here's something else that's going to keep me busy. Um, Guy I know built this electric Defender. I initially started working on it with him, and then I didn't have enough time to finish it, so he ended up taking it to a couple places here in the valley, and they ended up putting it all together for him. He's got some high dollar stuff in here. We got a big old battery pack from Felton. We've got it's running a Tesla. I think it's a 980 Model 3 motor performance, but it's dead. Thing's been sitting dead for 6-8 months now, and I think he's had a few people look at it. Nobody can figure it out. So I'm gonna rip open this battery pack because I'm pretty sure, based on all the descriptions and everything, emails going back and forth between him and the tech support people back at Felton. Sounds like we got contactor locked up. Pre-charge circuit's not working, so we'll be taking this apart and seeing if we can figure out what's wrong with this and get this really cool Defender back on the road and moving again. It's a shame to have it sitting. Super nice. Total custom, everything on this thing. Oh, quick update on this Defender too. So this thing has a rotten setup for the brake and the go pedal, right? Like that, it's not even the right kind of gas pedal for a Tesla motor. This came out of some other, I think a newer model Defender, and the voltage levels aren't the same across the whole spectrum of the throttle. So this thing is a little bit jerky, it's not smooth, and it doesn't even have max power because the highest voltage level coming out of it does not match the Model 3. And this is super hokey. It's only bolted on with two bolts at the bottom. It's crooked and it's at an angle, so it's just got a really awkward foot feel. And then this brake pedal, I'm looking at it, and it not only is it just like so far forward, it's just a really stupid position, but it looks homemade. Like this is literally just, I'm guessing 3/8 steel and a 1/4 inch steel here, and this is definitely a homemade pedal. So we've got a whole kit from a Model 3 coming that's got both the brake and the go pedal together with the factory switches and everything, and I'll fab up whatever brackets we need to put that in here, but this stuff's got to go. And then we're also going to get a speed hut gauge that's got the 12 volts on it. So when we hit key position 1, it'll put the battery level, because like right now key position 1 does nothing. Go to 2, then it finally clicks on, gives you your battery level for the high voltage, but there's no 12 volt battery level anywhere here. So we're going to get a speed hut gauge mounted in here somewhere with key position 1 showing our 12 volt battery level before we fire it up. So quick update on the Defender.